All right, I'm on the west side of the property, and right now we're starting to pour, and they decided to start pouring on the northwest corner. And I really don't know what we're gonna do here. This temporary pole is gonna be gone in a little bit, so I think they may have to create a barrier to get that thing loose once the concrete's poured. Starting to do their finish work now. Everything's looking good, y'all. Here we have a porch that we're about to pour. It's ingenious how over the years they've developed new approaches to creating porches now. Back in the day we used to have to backfill with dirt and everything, but now they just use a piece of a wood box. They create a wood box and do the pour. So they're waiting for this to set up, and they'll add more concrete. Have this thing finished off fairly quickly. Got the pump and the concrete pumping through. Slowly moving around to the east side of the house. By the time they get this side done, they'll start pumping and pouring concrete back into that porch. Good. Working their way around the building. Putting a finishing touch on the porch.